Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 121 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another color correcting concealer from LA Colors. So this is their Conceal and Correct in the shade Yellow. So this is the last color that I'm going to be trying out from the LA Colors Conceal Correct color correctors. I tried green, I tried peach, I tried their highlight, which was white, and now I'm trying the fourth shade, which is yellow. So yellow color correcting is supposed to brighten dull skin. So this just says it's for the skin concern dullness, and it claims to brighten skin. LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand, and I found this at the Dollar Tree, so this only cost me $1. Alright, so we have a doe foot applicator. And the areas where I want to brighten my skin are under my eyes and then around the center of my face, kind of where I would normally put my highlighter, where you want the light to look like it's hitting your face. My skin is already primed using the Ulta Beauty Mattifying Primer. I'm impressed by how much pigment there is in this yellow shade. Because yellow is such a light color, but this is very opaque. Now I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and blend this in so that it's just a light layer now. I should have remembered from the other concealers that they blend so much easier when they're slightly wet, and I let this sit on my face too long that it's become a little bit more difficult to blend. Still works fine though. Wow, my skin really is looking brightened, especially under my eyes where I have dark circles and it's very dull. It's really looking like there's a nice yellow light on my skin. Wow. And now, just like with the other color correcting concealers, I'm going to go in with the same foundation, the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. Oh my gosh, so my sister just got me into the show Handmaid's Tale on Hulu. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend. I watched it all so quickly, 2 seasons I watched within a week, and now I'm sad that I'm caught up, so I can't keep binge watching, but I need a new show to watch. So if you have any recommendations for a good show on Netflix, on Hulu, on any of those channels, I'm open. Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, my foundation is applied, and I think that I can still see some brightening effect, especially under my eyes. Even when I'm looking at my nose and my chin, I still feel like I can tell a slight difference in the brightness compared to maybe my cheeks. I'm really liking how this looks, and for $1, it's such a great formula. It blends nicely, the foundation goes perfectly on top of it, and it's got good pigment and a thick consistency. I really feel like if I mixed this with that peach corrector for under my eyes, my dark circles would be looking almost perfect. And then I could also use the green concealer as well as that L'Oreal green primer and try and really reduce the redness, and if I did all that, I might be able to get some perfect looking skin. Maybe I should make a video about my color correcting and do all the color correcting at once. Let me know if you'd want to see that. If you're looking for a yellow color corrector, I definitely recommend trying out this LA Colors Conceal Correct. It's only $1, and I feel like it works really well. I love color correcting because it feels so much like art. Makeup is art, but just incorporating the color correcting and using opposite colors to contrast skin imperfections, I just think is so cool and so fun. I'm so glad that this product was able to really brighten up my skin And now I have a whole collection of color correcting products that seem to really work well for me. If you want to see my other color correcting products that I've tried so far, I'll be sure to link those down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.